Artificial intelligence is all the rage right now. I mean, it's almost literally impossible for you to go online without seeing some article or think piece talking about how AI is going to be the future and everyone better be on the hype train right now. Ever since the advent of ChatGPT, the AI space has literally gone haywire. Wherever you look, there are people talking about how AI is about to tear up different industries and landscapes and become the most dominant market. And you know what? Many of these guys are absolutely right. AI is currently the most vibrant space in the world right now, and as more and more companies look to enter into the space, the landscape is only about to get even more competitive. That said, while most people tend to look at how AI could impact the job market in terms of taking people's jobs and making them redundant, I think it's time to flip things and consider how AI can actually help to make you money. In this video, we'll look into a few AI business ideas that could actually make you some significant money online. AI-based healthcare solutions. When we talk about the industries where AI is really set to transform things, healthcare is definitely one of those. Technology in itself has already made healthcare more effective, providing the opportunity for better gains on healthcare products and services. However, with the infusion of AI, this efficiency could skyrocket even more. And if you're an entrepreneur or developer looking to capitalize on this trend, then there are several avenues that you might want to consider. AI-driven solutions can help to improve the level of patient care by offering analyses of vast data sets. This way, AI offers personalized treatment recommendations that allow healthcare professionals to make informed decisions. And in the long run, we see much better outcomes for patients. Another interesting business line is predictive analytics. By leveraging this technology, AI developers can find potential health issues before they even manifest. This means that issues can be treated before they even become serious, meaning that users can benefit from both better healthcare outcomes and reduce costs in the long run. Generating written content. It's said that every form of marketing is essentially an outlet of content marketing. Whether you're writing content, shooting videos, or doing something else, it all rests on the primary topic of content. Because of this, there's been a lot of emphasis on the potential for AI to transform the content marketing landscape. In fact, this was one of the major things pointed out when generative programs like ChatGPT were developed. While many marketing professionals have been afraid of the impact of tools like ChatGPT on their operations, the truth is that if you're crafty enough, you can actually use the tool to supercharge your efficiency instead. With generative AI platforms, you can easily and quickly generate AI content. These tools also assist with writing content for everything, from blog posts to social media captions to website copy and sponsored posts. Besides this, AI can also help with building outlines, generating paragraphs, and even coming up with ideas for content. If you run a freelance writing platform, AI can help you produce more content by simply assisting you whenever you get that pesky writer's block. And if you're in the sales space, you can easily leverage AI to create professional sales copy. You can generate copy for emails, bespoke landing pages, and ad campaigns. And if you need to make videos, speeches, ebooks, and more, AI can also help you to develop scripts. Now, I should mention that this isn't all that easy. You need to know the right prompts to use here, as the quality of your input will ultimately determine the quality of the output you get from the AI tool. Still, with the right prompts, you can significantly improve your efficiency with AI as a content marketer. Talent matching for hiring managers. Another industry that is getting significantly disrupted by AI is the recruitment space. And once again, you should be able to capitalize on this if you're quick enough. The major problem with traditional recruitment is that the process is time-consuming and very expensive. But thanks to AI, developers can build tools that address several metrics, from experience to skills to even the cultural fit within the company. This way, it becomes much easier to match job seekers with the right employers. The great thing about such a tool is that it'll be able to efficiently learn from its matches. This way, the tool makes it easier to ensure the accuracy of placements over time. Thus, bottlenecks like recruitment costs and employee turnover can easily be reduced. By building such a tool, a developer can easily earn money from subscription fees and premium features being offered to high-paying subscribers. Plus, you can offer data insights to HR departments, allowing them to get better access to information that will help to improve their hiring processes. Generate AI-based art. If you're an art aficionado, then you must probably have an idea about just how disruptive AI has been for this field. Thanks to tools like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, and Midjourney, pretty much anyone can enter a prompt into an AI tool and generate high-quality images. As usual, the more detailed the prompt you give to the AI tool, the better the images that you can generate with it. Okay, so here's a hack. If you're looking for high-quality prompts to generate, then you can check out sites like PromptBase, where you can find some high-quality prompts to share. As a side benefit, you can also create non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, of your art and sell them. The NFT space has been popping quite heavily recently, thanks to the growth in the traditional crypto space. At the same time, you can turn your AI-generated art into a meme and then monetize it. Really, you have a bunch of methods available if you want to monetize your art. You really just need to find what works for you and create it. Create online courses with AI. Already, the landscape for online courses is incredibly saturated. But this doesn't mean that you can't find a way to stand out from the crowd. With artificial intelligence, you have an opportunity to become an even better online course creator, thanks to the ability of AI software to make the task of teaching others much easier. From brainstorming ideas for content and topics to building your course materials and more, AI tools can help you generate scripts, create videos, and even record voiceover lessons. Text-to-speech tools make it easy for you to create your materials, and you can easily sell and market what you create to meet the right target market. Become a financial advisor. We live in a world where more people are becoming more financially conscious, and because of this, there's been a growing demand for financial advisory services. Well, this is where AI can step in. The technology is capable of processing massive amounts of data, generating actionable insights much quicker than your regular human advisor. By making use of AI tools, you can provide more accurate, personalized investment strategies, ensuring that your customers will be able to get high-quality advice on how best to handle their finances across the board. As expected, you can get money from the fees that your customers pay to use your product. And if your product is really as effective as it could be, you could license it to other financial advisory firms and even monetize the data that you collect from your work. So, there are several avenues for profit here. You really just have to be as creative as possible. Implementing smart agriculture. As the global population grows, the demand for food has only become more prominent. However, as we all know, the availability of resources has only continued to drop over time. Fortunately, smart agriculture provides a possible solution to this. With the use of AI, smart agriculture can offer help in areas such as optimizing soil quality, improving weather conditions, and boosting crop health. Think about making drones that are fitted with AI algorithms that can scan large fields and offer farmers detailed reports on the right actions to take. Essentially, your business could be at the front lines, helping to make agriculture more efficient and sustainable in the long run. However you think about it, AI is currently redefining different landscapes. And as we all look to the future, there's the potential for significant profitability as we all hope to harness AI for greater efficiency. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our AI Advisors family. Like this video, stay curious, and let's continue to explore the wonders of AI together. Thanks for being part of our adventure into the future.